Hello guys, today I want to sing When There Was Me and You, and I hope guys will like it. It's funny when you find yourself looking from the outside. I'm standing here, but all I want is to be over there. Why did I let myself believe miracles could happen? 'Cause now I have to pretend that I don't really care. I thought you were my fairy tale, my dream when I'm not sleeping. I wish upon a star that's coming true. Tell everybody else to tell that I confuse my feelings with the truth. When there was me and you, I swore I knew the melody that I heard you singing. And when you smiled, you make me feel like I could sing along. But then you went and changed the words. Now my heart is empty. I'm only left with you to be. And once upon a song, now I know you're not a fairy tale, and dreams are meant to sleep in. And wishes on a star just don't come true. And now even I can tell that I confuse my feelings with the truth. Because I like the view when there was me and you. I can't believe that I could be so blind. It's like you were floating while I was falling, and I didn't know. Because I like the view. Oh, don't you felt it too? When there was me and you.